Hey fam, welcome back to another week of house hunting with Rochielin. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are viewing a rental property here in Kingston and it's going for 85,000 Jamaican dollars. I'm joined by realtor Sandra Forbes who's going to take us on the tour today. So definitely keep on watching. Before we continue, my Rochielin merch is now on the website and it is live, so go and check it out. Go and buy yourself one of the Rochielin Let's Go shirts or any other merchandise that is on the website. Cool. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on my social media pages. That's Instagram and Twitter at Rochielin. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, Sandra.
Hi, Miss Rochielin.
Hey. So we're gonna tour this place now. Tell the people where we are.
We're at Plantation Heights. That's the name of the complex. It's off Red Hills Road.
Okay.
You go a little further up, you have Calabar High School.
Yeah.
So just to give you a sense of the vicinity.
So it's basically next door to Calabar High School.
Right.
It's in that complex where Calabar Muse is, but it's in a separate gated community. So it's just beside or inside of Calabar Muse, but in its own community. Yeah?
Perfect.
Awesome. All right, so
let's go upstairs.
We are here and
this is a one-bedroom apartment in Plantation Heights. So it was recently refurbished. So you really don't have to do anything except move in.
Yeah.
Bring your furniture in. It's pretty clean, nicely refurbished, move-in ready.
so we start with the kitchen area.
We can start with the kitchen area.
Over here.
So you have cupboard space at the top, at the bottom.
Yep.
Thinking of storage too. So you should be good. Then there's the space there for your stove, 30-inch stove, which is pretty standard. Then you have the space over there for your fridge. Now, if you notice the space is kind of narrow, so you have to be careful. If your fridge may be big, eh? So it may mean you might have to put your fridge here. Because this is a relatively narrow space, but the space in the kitchen is still good.
And you have your double sink.
The double sinks here.
And a nice faucet.
Yes, and it does not come with the yogurt. That's mine, just to let you know. Oh dear, I dropped my spoon. So we're now at the breakfast counter. So it's deep enough so you can put stools underneath there. And you can eat here. Save the dining room space, as I always say. If you don't have to put a table, don't.
So just put some stools
Just
here.
put some stools here and you should be good. Because remember, your living area is going to be there anyway.
Yeah, it's an open concept, so it opens from the kitchen into the living room. So you literally can be here, you're
And
cooking,
see, yes.
and you're watching TV in the living room.
And it's an 11.5 times 19.5 space. So it's pretty big.
Yeah.
All right, pretty big.
So we now enter into the living room, and as Sandra says, 11.5 by 19.5.
Yes, so it's lots of space to put your stuff. So you could put your sectional or your couch here.
Yep.
With the TV on the wall. No.
And note the light fixtures.
Note the light fixtures.
That'd be above your couch. You know, and then over on this side is where you could put your television.
Right.
And mount it properly, because note this is
drywall.
Drywall.
So it has to be mounted properly, otherwise the TV will fall off. Another recommendation is put a swirl bracket at the back of your TV.
Like a swivel.
Right,
bracket.
like a swivel. So depending on where you are, you can swivel it and move it. And not only that, if you rent a lot, the configuration where you go is going to be different. So if you're going to invest in a bracket, invest in one of those that swirl.
Agreed. Air conditioner is in the living room, so
Yes.
we don't get hot sometimes, so you have that to your advantage. There's a balcony area out here. And a pretty decent space.
It does, you can hear the traffic, eh? So this is where Dunrobin meets Red Hills Road. So there is some amount of traffic once you open this door. There's some amount of noise. If you keep it closed, you really don't hear it. But I know you're going to want some fresh air sometimes. I mean, you have the AC. But you can open it slightly.
Yeah, and my recommendation is that if you're predominantly working from home and you need a quiet space, this may not be the place for you.
Right.
But if you're okay with a little noise here and there, a little traffic here and there, then it's fine. Because you're right off the main road.
Right.
So note that.
So the main road provides easy access.
Yeah.
So it has its advantages for easy access depending on where you're going.
And it's pretty central.
And the traffic flows because you're near to halfway tree, you dash that side, you go downtown. So it's in a good spot, but there is some amount of noise from the traffic.
So let's move into.
So let's go into the other room. So this is your wash area. It's big enough for a double stacker.
Yes, you have it. You guys know I love an indoor laundry area.
Right.
And we definitely have that.
So this is perfect.
Yeah.
The complex does have a drying line. So if you don't want to use a dryer, you can use their drying line.
And they also have a common wash area.
Right,
So
a common wash area.
The washing machines that everyone uses, or you can have
your own
here.
So if we come into the bathroom now, oh, look at this. It's nice on the door. Different, a little jazz.
So we enter into the bathroom.
You have the vanity that is there.
Let's look at the modern vanity.
Yeah. Don't you slide in so you yes, it's maybe a bit heavy for Rochielin, but yes, never mind.
And then we come over into my favorite place.
Well, we're not going to see you so clearly this time because the door is
It's frosted.
It's frosted, see? So you have your privacy because it is frosted, but it's nicely done, recently refurbished. But yeah.
I'm loving the overhead shower.
Okay.
Can I tell you? And then you
rain
have the
shower, and
ability
then you
to
can
do
do
this.
your thing over. Okay. All right, man, you mash up the people them things, so put it back properly.
Put it back.
All right, and then we come into
The bedroom.
the living room.
The bedroom.
No, the bedroom. We're now in the bedroom.
And it also has
Some fancy lights.
and air conditioner.
And you have the window. All right, so again, for the noise factor, you may want to use the AC. At night, it should be fine when you're ready to go to your bed. But during the day, it might be a little noisy.
The room is 11 feet by 13 feet.
So it's a good size.
It's a pretty decent size. You know, you can put your bed here,
Dresser
the
there.
dresser configured how you want. So
Yes.
you get an idea. Note, there is no closet in the bedroom, so you'll have to
Bring your
a portable closet
Right.
or use some of the wash area because it's big enough to probably run like a line or something
Right.
so that you have storage
Space.
for your clothes. So let's keep that in mind. We move back into the living, dining and kitchen area, and that's pretty much about it. The rental cost is 85,000 Jamaican dollars, and that does not include bills. Of course, you have to pay utility bills separate, your light, your water, your internet. Maintenance is included in the $85,000,
Right.
so you don't have to worry about that. There is a gym on site. We mentioned the laundry area, and there's a little common area that you can go outside and chill.
Right. So they have some nice spots within the complex.
You are pretty central as mentioned before, so you shouldn't have an issue where that's concerned. But just remember the noise factor that we also mentioned earlier.
Right.
If you're interested in this property, Sandra's details will be listed below, so definitely reach out to her. And you know, rentals go by very quickly.
Yes.
So you have to act today. Because as they come on the market, they're gone, especially when they're at a fairly decent price.
And the location usually determines that. And it's moving ready.
Yeah.
You don't have to do anything. It's clean.
Yeah.
It's very clean.
Pretty much.
Yes.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you see something that you like, and if you do, you know what to do. Thank you so much for being here, and remember to like, comment, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts on this neighborhood, on this property. Is it something you'd be interested in? What else you want to see? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, just press that red subscribe button. It is free of cost to you, it costs you nothing literally, so just subscribe so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in every week, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.